Hey, in this video we'll be going over how to create a basic Cobblemon mod pack in Forge using CurseForge. First thing we want to do is create a new mod pack. This can be done via this button in the top left. If I click on that, let's go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to be uncreative and go with Cobblemon Forge. Select the Minecraft version that the Cobblemon version you want to use runs on. As of this recording, Cobblemon 152 is the latest, and it runs on Minecraft 121. I'm going to leave the game type, really the loader type, at Forge, and I'll leave their suggested mod loader version, and hit Create. Once I'm here, I can click Add More Content, which will take me to, by default, the mods list. I'm going to search up Cobblemon, hit the Install button, wait for it to do its thing, and there we go. We have not only Cobblemon, but its dependency on Forge Kotlin for Forge. Now I can click the Play button, which will kick up the Minecraft launcher, unless you have configured it to directly launch the game from CurseForge. Then I can click the play button here. Yep, I understand. Let's go. And once that's done, we can go ahead and kick up a new single player world. I'm going to click Create New World. And once that's done, we should have our new Cobblemon Forge mod pack launched on CurseForge. In the top right, we can see that it says press the M key to check out the starters. I'll go ahead and click that. Go with my good old friend Bulbasaur here, and shucks, no shiny on this one either.